This is a kick cylinder that Lady Locks let me borrow. It's got some pretty pain in the ass warding. All the pins are really high set too. Oh geez, focus. Focus. It doesn't want to focus. There we go. Yeah. So to try to get in, I'm going to use Cobra Instruments top of the keyway 32 thousandths, and the number 5 from the Reaper set. Oh, what is this thing doing today, huh? So I'm gonna go counterclockwise with pretty decent tension. Start out at number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So the warding on this thing pushes your pick off the pins. 1. So I don't even know if that's set. 4, 5. 4, 5. 6. So you gotta like get in there and kind of almost have to force your pick to go straight up. 2, 3. Come on. I keep losing what pin 1, 3, 4. So all I should have left is number 5. 5. Alright, yeah. If you just hit number 5 and it opens. So I don't know what kind of pins are in it. They give out decent pops, but really the hardest part about this damn thing is that warding. That little lip, and then up here this little bit, it just grabs your pick and wants to turn it that way, even though you need to go straight up. But that is the unknown kick cylinder.